Welcome. If you've noticed that Discord's animations and transitions seem a bit less lively on your mobile device, you might have the reduced motion setting turned on. This feature is designed to make the app easier on the eyes for some users, but if you prefer the full animated Discord experience, you can easily turn it off. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable reduced motion on Discord Mobile, so you can bring back all those smooth transitions and effects. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Accessibility. Go ahead and tap on that. The Accessibility menu is where Discord keeps all the options designed to make the app easier to use for everyone. Now, scroll down a little bit until you find the option called Reduced Motion. If this setting is turned on, Discord will minimize or remove some of the app's animations to create a simpler visual experience. To bring back all the usual Discord animations, simply toggle off the Reduced Motion switch. That's it. You've just disabled reduced motion on Discord Mobile. You should notice that the app's transitions and animations are now back to their normal, lively selves. This can make Discord feel a bit more dynamic and fun to use. If you ever want to turn reduced motion back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. It's a quick and easy way to customize your Discord experience to match your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your refreshed Discord experience.